What's up, you guys? Going to do an unboxing of the Navimow Garage S. So let's take a look. And I'll have a link in the description if you're interested in picking this up. Here's the front. It says perfect match, additional protection from sun and rain, fully compatible, no blocking to signals or connectivity. Flip up cover, convenient access to the control panel. Fits all the different I-series Navimow Segways. Here's the side of the box. Here's the back side. The other side, same, and then it mentions the contents. Garage S, 4mm Allen wrench, 6mm Allen wrench, 8 screws, 4 bolts, 2 fasteners. Pretty much it, pretty simple. Here's the top. An ideal house for your Navimow robotic lawnmower. Alright. And there's nothing on the bottom. Let's open it up, let's see what we have. Alright, looks like they have some additional things on the top. It's kind of instructions on how to do everything. Let's take a look at the other side. Same thing over here. Mentions the different components and accessories and some cautions. And the other side had everything in regards to putting it together. Here we go. Here's the cover. Packaged up like that. Pretty nice. That's the side. Inside. There we go, looks like that. The actual housing itself right here. Side. Alright, inside we got the accessories. I'm going to pull this out. Slide it out. There we go. All the screws. Box off to the side. The garage. There's a little film on here. I'm going to take that off. Pretty nice. All bolts, everything, and the Allen wrenches. Inside here. There we go. Here's the top cover of the garage as well. Alright, that was the unboxing of the garage for the Navimow Segway. And yeah, I'll put a link in the description if you're interested in picking this up. It's good to protect your Navimow Segway lawnmower. So, thanks, you guys.